What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Give me a second. Let me know how we sound. What's going on? What's going on? Test. Oh, static. Let me try to fix that, y'all. It's really static. Test. We want to fix it. I know it's we want to fix it. These markets took off without us again, but let me try to fix this out here first. Let me get closer and you see how this sounds. Give me a second, y'all. We're going to fix this. We're going to fix this. And why am I like that? Test. All right, cool. So the market took off again last night. If you get static, let me know, y'all. We hit TP2 on gold. We rejected this. I couldn't type the signal in time. As you can see, this literally ripped the 1.5 minute candlestick. But if y'all anything in the GU, just fucking tanked all last night again. So it's just been one of those weeks so far where the moves we're looking for are playing out. They're just not playing along the charts, right? Yesterday, I took some NAS sales. We went into the York section. And you can see prices right back where we left off yesterday. Like literally where we left off yesterday. It's going to be interesting. Again, this setup played out right before London said. So it's literally just like yesterday, right? GJ did a quick ass move. Then we caught a small move on gold. Yesterday we caught a small move on NAS. Made it back on like resistance level above. And as you can see, price rejected. So we're looking for a similar sell setup right here. This is exactly where we left off yesterday. So we're going to see how NAS100 reacts right here. And we're going to see if gold's going to push back up for us. We hit TP2, they were rejected. And then GJ, right before I could even type the signal, like literally as soon as it broke, I can just fucking take. So yeah, it's one of those weeks, y'all. It's just one of those, nothing we can do about it. So GU, just like yesterday, we're going to leave it alone. If y'all noticed yesterday, what happened yesterday after the tanked Tokyo session, that they retraced and they consolidated on the New York session, right? So imagine, okay, just make it sound good. So again, the more you're on the chart, the more you pick up on how price plays in certain situations. It's a little unfortunate I couldn't call this GJ setup in time, but it happened. That's what it is. You see how this gold setup plays out. We can TP2, then it rejected. NAS just broke below this level. So if NAS100 can maintain 24,600 as resistance, look for the same sell setup yesterday with the members. Going for sell going through 24.5. So we're looking to see if price can turn this over to resistance right here. We got price resistance. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Yeah, the markets are just playing with us this week, y'all. And they're doing the moves we're looking for. They're just doing them quickly. Not when I want to Tokyo session. So everybody been talking about Tokyo session ain't got no volume. Literally, all the moves we're looking for been playing that Tokyo session so far. So we're going to see how New York session plays out in London session. We do have GBP news. I don't remember seeing this news on that. We have 7:30 GBP news today. So it's going to be interesting to see how it affects the market, especially because GU and GJ already took a dump. So it's interesting to see how this starts to play out today. Yeah, so it's going to be a little bit of a fun kick so far, y'all. We're going to see how today plays out. But if we can break some of these levels, the rest of the week should be a lot smoother. got new 15 edges pocket, but the rest of them should be a lot smoother if we can break these next levels we on these charts right here. You see the auto sounding better. What's going on? What's going on, young master? If y'all got any questions, drop in the chat. So if you need charts, drop in the chat. Appreciate those that like the live. Make sure to like the live, subscribe. All right, round 2 on gold. Again, we hit TB2, then we hit TB3 technically. Gonna reject. We're about to see if we can get above here. Wasn't able to call this GJ setup in time, but I am in the GJ setup. And if y'all did not watch this chart analysis, you gotta make sure to hit that first link in the description or if you see Telegram. Watch the Sunday chart analysis, like I always tell y'all. The chart analysis goes over not just what we see price doing Monday, but what we see price doing throughout the entire week. If you watch the Sunday chart analysis, a lot of charts have been as projected so far. Right, so again, it's really Tuesday. There's no excuse not to watch it. Make sure to watch it and check it out, y'all. I gotta update the recap of the month because that's how we ended January. How we ended last month, February, was 19 wins, 3 losses. He was at 86% win rate. So we're picking up where we left off January, and that's including the slow as of last weeks of February. Because we get the last 2 weeks of February, we took way less trades, right? Like last week, we traded like 3 or 4 days up. Before that, we only traded 2 days out the week. So we were taking a lot less trades because of the market structure on top of that. And we still had a very similar rate to January, which is very interesting. Yeah, I'm not going to touch G today. Okay. Again, the chart's just been moving. The Tokyo session up to do about that. Nothing you can do about that. So let's see if gold can push back and forth. Let's see what gold's got in store for us. New 5 minute about to pop up in a little bit. And again, the mic sounds a little bit static. You let me know and I'll try to fix it. Just let me know. I got you. What's going on, new? What's going on, new? Just join the live. Make sure you rewind the live really quick so you understand what's going on. But long story short, literally the same thing yesterday took place today. Price did all the news with it last night. Yeah, literally corrected itself. Back where we left off yesterday. We took a sell here with the members. Got hit TP1, got wicked out, took a sell here, caught us with the 2 R, and then after that, it failed to hold us as resistance again, and that's when the reversal took place. And then last night, price brought his happy ass all the way right back to where we took the sells out. You, same thing to you. This was New York session. Tokyo session, as you can see, 8 o'clock. And price just ripped. GJ ripped as well. GJ ripped as well. So yeah, that's what's going on with the charts right now. We get TP3 on gold. We got Trace. There's a lot of support, so we're going to see what this next 5 and 15 looks like. Usually some volume pretty much because it's mainly to the fan. We still got this gap. I think it's filled up after that, but we're approaching the all-time highs again. So we're going to be looking for what's going to happen with bars from the finish. Just like last week, we was going for bars. If y'all got any questions in the chat, want me to look at any charts up in the chat, we do got 730 GBP news as well, so make sure to keep that in mind. See how these charts play out right here. I sound muffled. Let me try to fix it. I don't know why my mic's not to my previous. Yeah, if I sound muffled, let me know. We might pause. Yeah, let me try to fix it. I don't know why. I might be typing it on accident. I'm not at my desk either, so that might be another reason why I'm not on my desk. Let me try to fix it. Let me try to fix it. Apologies in advance of the static. Alright, test. I don't know what's going on with the mic. I don't know. Do you know my mic's fucked up? I'm not sure what. I'm trying to fix it. It was just like that. I'm trying to fix it, y'all. Hey, this is live streaming. It's the same exact mic. I say it all the time. This is the same mic I use for my YouTube videos. We don't have no issue with that. Some of the chart analysis, it's literally just like my live stream will be acting up sometimes. That's just bugging out. Let me try to fix it. Try to fix it. What if we try to? We're trying to figure this out. Try to fix this out. Test. Test. I don't want to restart the live, but if it's acting up, I might try to restart the live. Yeah, I'm gonna restart. I don't know what's going on with the mic, y'all. Ain't gonna help y'all. Can't hear me. Ain't gonna help y'all. So let me restart this.